Welcome to Integration 101. Today in this segment, we are going to see how you can use Pabbly Connect to integrate your favorite autoresponder and CRM tool to pass the collected data from video call widget. For instance, let's say I am collecting email ID and want to pass it to my Google Sheets or a favorite tool which I am using it regularly. It can be possible by using Pabbly Connect. Let me show you how it's done. So as I said earlier, Pabbly helps you to connect one app and another app and pass the data in between those two. So I am using this video bubble widget collecting email IDs from my website visitors, and I want these details to pass it to my Google Sheets. So Pabbly helps you to do that. So create workflow, give a name to it, give a name to a workflow. I have already created a workflow here, and I'm going to, in step 1 trigger, I'm using Popsuite. So click Popsuite, and my trigger event is get customers. So when somebody submits that acts as a customer, so that customer details has to be passed in my Google Sheets. So after that, copy this webbook URL and paste it in the widget which I'm using in my website. So I'm using this widget in my website. Scroll down, go to the Pabbly webbook configurations and paste the webbook URL and update it. Now let's test whether we have done correct or not using demo at gmail.com and schedule. You have to go back to your Pabbly dashboard, and as you can see, wait for a few minutes. The response will be received shortly. Refresh the once. As you can see, response has been received. So my registered email is demo@gmail.com and the first name is demo. So now the first step is over. Now the second step is choose your next application, which means where the data has to be saved. In my case, I am using Google Sheets. You can also similarly use any other CRM or autoresponders which you are using it regularly and save the email details. So I want it in a new row, so I'm going to click add a new row and click connect. And I have an existing connection with my Google Sheet, so I'm going to use it. In case if you're new to Pabbly, select add new connections and sign up with your Google account, and you have authorized the permissions for Google Sheets to save your data. Click save. So now as you can see, there will be multiple Google Sheets that you have created. You can select which sheet that you want to save your details. I want to save it in my Pabbly Popsuite, so I am going to choose this sheet 1. So it should be sheet 1, so I am using in sheet 1. So this is sheet 1. You can also select whichever sheet that needs to be saved, and under name I want to map the customer details. So in name it should be your first name, and in email you have to give your registered email demo@gmail.com and click save and send test request. As you can see, the data has been saved here, demo@gmail.com. So let's see whether we have done correct or not. Once again, this we chose an app, a trigger. So we choose Popsuite, chose the get customers as a trigger event, and then copied the webhook URL and pasted in the widget which we are using in the website. So I'm pasting it under the Pabbly webhook URL and updated the widget. And after doing this step, we have to test whether whether the webhook has been received correctly or not. So I'm going to give trial at gmail.com and click submit. So as you can see, the trial has been submitted, and the second step is Google Sheets. So in your case, you can choose any other app which you want, but I want my data to be saved in Google Sheets. I'm choose Google Sheets, and it should be added in a new row. So the event should be add new row, and click connect. If you have an existing connection, you can use that existing connection, or you can add a new connection to it, and select the spreadsheet which you want to save the email and details. Select the sheet and map the details with the correct value, and click save. So this is it. So similarly, you can also use Pabbly Connect with the help of Popsuite. You can pass the data to any other applications, CRM, autoresponder, or even to your messenger tools that you use. In case if you need any assistance, you can reach us at out on help@getpopsuite.com, or please visit our help center, submit a ticket, and we'll reach you at the earliest. And also, the Popsuite is currently, it is in private in Pabbly marketplace, so you need a special link from us. So you can also drop an email to us and we'll send you the link separately. Thank you.